Hello and welcome to Crowded Lab channel. Today I will do Stageset review, so you will be able to understand if you will need this kind of tool or not. With Stageset, you will be able to build digital sales rooms like this one, where you will be able to share all your sales materials. At the moment, Stageset is available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Again, you will be able to create digital sales rooms based on variety of templates. You will be able to embed different types of media into your sales room and let prospects to download or upload files or media. Of course, you will be able to share your digital sales room, and what's more important, you will be able to see statistics how people interact with your room. Here are the license tiers. For the first one, for $59, you'll have all the features included, except integrations and advanced analytics. And I believe a go-to plan will be license tier 2, where you have more users and integrations with Calendly and your customer relationship management systems like HubSpot, for example. Okay, let's get into the action. Here is Stageset dashboard. You have several sections, your rooms and templates. Inside templates, you can choose from predefined templates or create your own. And based on those templates, sales rooms are created. Let's open this one. This is a demo Stageset sales room where they pitch about their product. So we can see we can integrate videos, we can add some visual content, can embed presentations. Also to the left, you can see different sections of this room. We can go to sales deck directly, check the video, have example of onboarding deck, or have Calendly integration, for example. This was preview, and we can jump into editor mode. And now we can modify and add anything we like. We can add a section, we can rename it. Inside those sections, we can add different elements, text, media. We can embed a lot of things. We can embed whole websites, rich media, Google Sheets, docs, slides, Word and Excel documents, videos from YouTube, Vimeo, and other sources, spreadsheets from Airtable, files from Dropbox, Google Forms, even Figma design templates. We can expand content with different layouts. We can also add file sharing, so your users will be able to upload files. You can structure content in layout of 3 or 2 columns, and inside those columns you can add more elements like media. Here you need to drop your files, like so. Also, there is another option internal, where you can see how people interact with your sales room. With AppSumo deal, with license tier 2, you will be able to see detailed analytics. And if you will go to editor menu, we have option to invite. Let's copy link. I have opened the sales room in incognito window. We need to enter email address and let's view the space. And that's how the digital sale room will look like for a person who receives your link. We can see contact us information, so people will be able to call you or email. So your potential clients will be able to see all your sales materials in one place. And you will be able to track the engagements with those materials. All right, so that's it for the quick overview of Stageset. So if you're looking for software to create digital sales rooms and be able to quickly start from different templates and organize all of your sales materials in one place, then this tool is potentially a good option for you. Please check my link in the description for Stageset. You have a 60-day money back guarantee with this deal. In my opinion, it can be a good option for creating digital sales rooms because it was easy to create and add elements for the room. There is option to add virtually any kind of media, and you can have detailed analytics about how users interact with Stageset digital rooms. Okay, so that's it. Please give this video a like if you find this content useful, and please also subscribe to get more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.